Hi, One Joy students. How are you today? Today we are going to continue the topic more subtraction. More subtraction, which is mean we subtract with regrouping. Okay, regrouping, as we practice a strategy last week Friday, we need to borrow and then do regrouping. A bit complicated. Okay, before we start, let's do some warm-up exercise to recall back what is subtract with regrouping, how to borrow and how to regroup. Okay, now I'll give you two different types of questions here. 62 minus 38 equals to how many? So we want to find the missing number here. So start from 2 minus 8. So 2 cannot minus 8 because 2 is smaller than 8. When 2 cannot minus 8, you cannot use 8 to minus back the 2. This is wrong strategy, wrong method. Okay, 62 is in one group. 38 is in another set of number. Okay, when 2 cannot minus 8, we need to borrow from 6. Borrow from the tens. Okay, the biggest value from 62. Okay, undo first. Now, so 2 cannot minus 8, we borrow 1 from the tens. Borrow 1. Always borrow 1. Okay, you need to remember this. 110 is equals to 10 ones. So when you borrow 110, you will have 10 ones here. 10 ones regroup. That means need to plus the existing 2 you have. 10 need to plus 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So I rub away, straight away write 12 here. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. So now we use 12 minus 8. 12 take away 8, we count back 8 steps from 12. 12 come back will be 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. The answer is 4. 12 minus 8 equals to 4. And then we use 5 to minus 3. 5 take away 3. Put 5 in your mind, take away 3 steps. So start count back from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. The answer is 2. So 62 minus 38 is equals to 24. Okay, the next one. The next one, I'll show you different method already. Now we are going to find the missing number here. Okay, not this one. We're going to find the missing number at the middle row. Okay, how? So we can use the same strategy, which is subtract. Use 54, subtract 16. That means minus 16. Okay, so 4 minus 6. 4 cannot minus 6 because 4 is smaller than 6. 4 cannot take away 6. So what should we do? Yes, we do borrow. So borrow 1 from 5. I will have 4 left. Okay, remember this concept. 110 equals to 10 ones. When I take away 110, I will get 10 ones. So I will have 10 ones here. Plus the existing 4. The existing 4 here. So 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. So here I got 14 already. So 14 minus 6. 14 in your mind, take away 6 steps. Go back 6 steps. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So the answer is 8. 14 minus 6 is equals to 8. And then now we use 4 to minus 1. Not 5, no more 5 already because we already borrow 1. We only got 4 left here. So 4 minus 1. 4 count back 1 step will be 3. So the answer is 38. 54 minus 38 is equals to 16. Okay? Now, next one. I'm going to teach you the second strategy. The second strategy, we are using count on method. Why count on? Right? Subtract should be count back because it's lesser already. Count on because of we are looking for different missing number now. So remember, for subtraction, the first number, the top number on top, the first number is always the big number. So if the missing number that you need to look for is a first number here, that means this is a big number. This one is a big number. Big number is bigger than this number take away and the number left here. So to find the big number, we need to add. We must use count on method already. We need to add. So that means 17 need to plus 58. 17 plus 58. So that means the strategy that we apply is plus. Okay, I circle. 17 need to plus the 58. We need to add together. Of course, we'll do add one step by step. I rub away the add first. We need to add step by step. So 7 plus 8 first. 7 plus 8 is how many? Usually, I will put the big number in my mind. So 8 in my mind, I will count on 7 more. 8, the next one count on will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. But actually, we cannot write 15 here, up here. Because this is one place only, once. We only can write one digit number. So 7 and 8 actually is make 15. But we cannot write 15 two digit at the ones here. We need to know the place value of 15. So 15, digit 5, the place value is ones. And digit 1, the place value is tens. Because 15 got 1 10 and 5 ones. So the 5, because the place value is ones, so remain at 1 here, right now. So the 1 10 here, we need to do regrouping. That means we need to add to tens here. We need to add to tens here. Okay, now the next one, we are going to add 1 and 5 together already. Okay, let me rub away this first. So you won't feel like so messy. So rub away the ring that I circle. Okay, just now we already solved 7 and 8 already. Is equals to 15. Now we are going to solve this one, 1 and 5 in the tens place. 1 plus 5, remember same thing. Now we are using plus strategy. Because the number on the top here is a biggest number. So to find the top number here, big number, we need to add. So 1 plus 5 is equals to 1 and 5 is equals to 6. Right? 1 and 5 is equals to 6. But we cannot straight away write 6 here. Because remember this one, 15, 7 plus 8 makes 15. The one that we do regroup already. So that means the 7 and 5 make 1 and 5 makes 6. 6 need to plus 1. 6 need to plus this one. This one. Okay, 6 plus 1 will make 7. So the answer is 75. 75 minus 17 is equals to 58. Okay, I can show you the working for minus now to check is it correct. Okay, wait, let me rub away all this first. The answer up here is 75 now. So let us check by using subtraction method. Is it correct? So 5 cannot minus 7. So we need to borrow 6 left. And then we do regrouping 15. 15 minus 7. 15, take away 7 step. I count back from 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So the answer is 8, correct? Now, I use 6 to minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So, confirm already. The answer is 75 minus 17 is 58. So, the missing number here will be 75. Okay, let's do one more the same practice again. So, now we need to find this missing number, the number on top. So, what should we do? Yes, this 21 and this 59 need to add together. Yes, they need to add together. So let's do it step by step. Start from 1 and 9 add together. 1 and 9 get 1 and 9 is 10, right? So digit 0 is at the ones place. Digit 1 is at the tens place. Okay. Now we are going to add digit 2 and 5 together. Digit 5 plus another 2 more, 5, 6, 7. So it's makes 7. Okay, but we cannot write 7 here. 7 need to plus 1. 7 plus 1, the answer is 8. Okay, that means the missing number is 80. The missing number is 80. 80 minus 21 equals to 59. Okay. Now, we are going to start the exercise already. Start from write down the day and date. So, today is Monday. And 15-6-2020. Okay. So, the example is given already. So, I'm not going to explain furthermore. So, we start from B. 71 minus 43. See here, minus. Okay, so 1 cannot minus 3. So we need to borrow 1 from 7, 6 left. And then we do regrouping. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 minus 3. 11 count back 3 steps. 11, 10, 9, 8. The answer is 8. Okay, and then 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4, wait, sorry. 6 take away 4. 6 count back 4 step. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The answer is 2. So 71 minus 43 is equals to 28. So I'll discuss one more with you. See. Okay, this is 64 minus 39. So the same thing we practice. 4 cannot minus 9. So we need to do borrow. 5 left. And regrouping. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 9. So 14 in your mind, go back 9 step. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 left here. Okay, and then 5 minus 3. 5 take away 3 step. 5, 4, 3, 2. The answer is 2. Okay, so D, E, and F, I would like to let you try. Okay, before we start, remember you need to do borrow and regrouping. 10 left. Okay, same goes to 92 minus 54. 2 cannot minus 4, so you need to borrow and regrouping. Okay, 83 minus 17. 3 cannot minus 7, so you need to borrow 1 from 8. That means 7 left. 10 plus 3, 13. Then you may find out this answer by yourself. Okay, the next one, G. G will use the minus strategy as well to find the number at the middle here. The middle here. Use the minus strategy as well. Okay, so that means 2 need to minus 4. Okay, 2 need to minus 4. 2 cannot minus 4 because 2 is smaller than 4. So as usual, we borrow 1 from 4, 3 left. And then we do regrouping. 10 plus 2, I got 12. So 12 minus 4. 12 take away 4 step. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So the answer is 8. So I will have 8 here. So later 3 minus 1 is 2 left. Okay, I just confirm the answer only. So now I'll do one more H with you. This one. So 31 minus 1 what is 15. So it's the same thing. We can use 31 minus 15. So start from 1 minus 5. 1 cannot minus 5. So we borrow 2 left. And then we do regrouping. Now I got 11. So 11 minus 5. 11 take away 5 step. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. The answer is 6. Okay, then later 2 minus 1, we have 1 left. Okay, I'll leave it to you. This is 68 minus 19. So 8 cannot minus 9 because 8 is smaller than 9. So as usual, you do borrow. 5 left. And then regroup. Now I got 18 already. 18 can minus 9. 18 count back 9 steps. Then you will get the answer here. Okay? And then we continue J. J is different scenario already. Because J, we are looking for the top number, the missing number at the top. Remember, the top one for subtraction, the first number on top is the big number. It's a big number. It's bigger than the number take away and the left here. So to find the number on top, we need to add these two sets of numbers together. We need to add together already. Okay, so we start from 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7, I put big one. 7 in my mind, the big number in my mind, and then I count on 4 steps. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. 7 plus 4. 11, 1 here is here. Another one more in tens, it should do regroupment. Should add 1 here. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus another one more is 5. So we confirm already. It's correct, the method. So the missing number here is 1. Okay, K also the same. You look for the number on top here. That means the number 36 and another 36 left here need to add together already. Need to use plus strategy. So first, you need to use 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, how many? So 6 plus 6. Get the answer. Find the answer already. So the place in the ones, here tens, the place in ones, you should write here the answer. And then this is the place in tens, tens place. Okay, so this one I'll let you practice. So for this exercise, I'll let you try K, I, F, E, and D. Okay, now we move on to the next page already. So the next one is page 104. So we do more subtractions by using standard written method. Okay, find the balance. So the first one already show example for us already. So I'm not going to explain from this one. We straight away go to B. So 53 minus 18. So 53, we write on top first. 53. Remember, right on top, then right in the middle. Don't write in the middle here. Then later, no, not enough space already. Okay, undo first. We do. Minus at the left side a bit. And then 18. You imagine got box on, all the numbers should arrange accordingly to the place. Then use your ruler, draw the line. Okay, now we start. So 3 minus 8. 3 cannot minus 8 ma. 3 smaller than 8. How to minus 8? So what should we do? Borrow. 1 take away from 5. Now I got 4 left. Okay, and then 10 plus 3. Now I have 13. 13 minus 8. 13, go back 8 steps. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. The answer is 5. And then 4 minus 1. 4, go back 1 step, will be 3. So the answer is 35. Okay, so for C, 64 minus 35. The same thing, the box here, we need to do standard written method to find out the answer. Standard written method actually is our working steps to find out the answer. 64 minus 35. Need to write nicely, accordingly, the place. Ruler, please. Okay, and then 4 cannot minus 5 so we need to borrow. Wait, change color. So you need to borrow 1 from 6. I will have 5 left. And then I do regroup. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, so this one you find out the answer yourself already. I'm not going to demonstrate already. So you need to try your own self. Find out the answer and then write the answer on top here. Okay, so D, the last one, 75 minus 29. 75 minus 29. Okay, then use ruler, draw line. Okay, now we start. 5 minus 9. 5 cannot minus 9 because 5 is smaller than 9. Before you minus, you need to check first. 5 can minus 9 or not? Cannot, then you borrow. If can, no need to borrow. And then 7, take away 1. Always take away 1 only from the number that you borrow. 6 left. 6 plus 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so after you borrow and regroup already, you may find out the answer. Use 15 minus 9 and use 6 to minus 2. Then write down answer to complete your number sentence as well. Okay, so C and D, you may try these 2 questions. If I too fast, you're not done yet, you may pause the video. Okay, then we move on to the last one. Okay, for this one, number 2 solve, we are using different strategy. We are not using the standard written method already now here. We're using different strategy to minus. Okay, I'll explain step by step how to do. So for this one, I'll demonstrate to all of you. 62 minus 38. So first, this strategy, we need to change the numbers into whole number. The number in the middle here. We need to change the number in the middle here to the whole number, the biggest whole number. So 38 plus 2 more is 40. It's a whole number in the tens group. Okay, 40. So this number plus 2, the number at first here also need to plus 2 when you use this strategy. That means 62 need to plus 2 as well. Wherever the number at the middle here plus, so the number at first also add the same numbers together. Okay, 62 plus 2 becomes 64 because 62, 63, 64. Then we use 64 to minus 40. Okay, after we after you change the number value to the whole number already for this one, now it will be easier. No need to borrow already. You can straight away minus. Okay, I can show you the standard written method here. 64 minus 40, it will become easier already. No need, without any borrow. Because 4 plus 0, you will get 4. 4 minus 0 will get 4, sorry. And 6 minus 4 will get 2. So the answer is 24. Okay, actually without the standard written method here, without using the standard written method, you also can find out the answer. Because 60, 40 is in tens place. 4 and 0 is in ones place. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is 24. 62 minus 38 is equals to 24. So this is another strategy to find the answer. Okay, without borrow and regroup. You just standardize the value. Not standardize, you just change the value that in the middle to the whole number. It will be easier for the subtract step. Okay, for B, minus 45 from 90. Okay, so we need to minus 45 from 90. That means it's 90 minus 45 already. Okay, so first step is change the number in the middle. That means 45, I need to change it into the whole number, the biggest group of whole number. So 45 plus 5 45 plus 5 is 50. That means now I plus 5 here. The number in front, I also need to do the same thing. I need to plus 5. 90 plus 5 is 95. Okay, now I can subtract already. That means 5 minus 0. 9 need to minus 5. Okay, why do I say so? When I show you the standard written method, you will understand already. 95 minus 50. 5 and 0 is in one place. They are in the same place. So 5 can minus 0 equals to 5 without borrow because 5 can straight away minus 0 5 minus nothing will get 5 And then 9 take away 5. Count back 5 steps from 9. 9 then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. The answer will be 4. So 9 minus 5 will be 4. So the answer is 45. Okay? So now we are going to move on to C. Find the difference between 28 and 81. When you look at the word difference, that means it's minus already. Okay? When you look for the difference, it's minus. That means 81 minus 28. Write down the number sentence on top first. Right on the top row. Don't write in the middle. Little not enough space already. Okay? That means 81 need to write first. Because 81 minus 28. You cannot use 28 minus 81. The big number always at first for subtraction. Then equals to how many? I draw a box here. So first thing, I need to standard the value in the middle to a whole number. Okay, I need to change the number in the middle to the whole number. So 28, I count on 29, 30. 28, add 2 more. We'll get 30. Okay, so that's means 81, I also need to add 2 more because I need to do same thing as a number in the middle. Okay, so 81 add 2 more, 81, 82, 83 will become 83. Now 83 minus 30 is how many? I use 83 to minus 30. So without standard written method, I also can find answer. 8 minus 3, 8 take away 3 is 5. Right? 8, 7, 6, 5. Go back 3 steps is 5. Then 3 take away 0. I will get back 3 because 0 is nothing. The answer is 53. Okay? Without cut the borrow and regroup, we also can find the answer. Okay? Is it amazing? Okay? This is different type of strategy. The last one. How much is 14 less than 30? Okay? 14 less than 30. That means it's 30 minus 14 equals to how many? The same thing, we use the change the number in the middle to biggest whole number strategy. That means 14, how many more? I can get 20. Must find the biggest one. I cannot find the smallest whole number. So let's count on 14. The next become 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means 14 plus 6 more is 20. So when 14 plus 6 more, 30 also need to plus 6 more. 30 plus 6 more is 36. 36 minus 20. Okay, now we minus 3 minus 2, 1. Then 6 minus 0, I will get 6. The answer is 16. 30 minus 14 is equals to 16. Okay? If I'm too fast, you may pause the video. Okay, that's it for today. Today we do 2 pages only. Once you're done already, please submit your homework through Class Dojo portfolio, the late by tomorrow, 6 p.m. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.